Have you ever seen funny words or expressions in English, but you couldn't understand what they meant? It's necessary to study them in context. I'm here to help. I'm John, and today we're going to study interesting vocabulary in English. Spring chicken. Harold and Susan are at a family picnic. Harold is playing with the children. I need to take a break. I'm exhausted. So am I. It's great to be here with the children. These kids are really energetic. I can barely keep up with them. You're telling me. I tried to join their soccer game earlier, and it was a disaster. I used to play football in college and thought that would help, but I guess those days are far behind me. Well, let's face it, Harold. Neither of us is exactly a spring chicken anymore. Quiz time! What does spring chicken mean? A kind of chicken dish? A young and vibrant person? A rare chicken in the spring? An angry old person? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. A young and vibrant person. Teaching moment. A spring chicken is a phrase used to describe someone who is young and energetic. If someone isn't a spring chicken, it suggests they're no longer young, often implying they might not be able to do things as well or as quickly as they used to. Examples: Jim tried to keep up with his grandkids at the park, but he admitted he's no spring chicken anymore. Lisa may not be a spring chicken, but she can still run a marathon faster than most people half her age. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Take a break. Rest. So am I. Me too. Barely. Almost not possible. Keep up with. Maintain the same pace. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.